perfect northeast point position with wide water and skyline views. Truly a premium and extremely private home that is sure to impress the most fastidious of buyers. This fully renovated home boasts an open floor plan with 4 large bedrooms, 2 ensuited, 3 bathrooms and a separate executive home office. A huge gourmet kitchen adjoins the large open living room and flows seamlessly through bifolding doors to a massive outdoor entertaining area, complete with built-in barbecue, fridge, resort-style pool and spa, all overlooking pool, spa and spectacular water and skyline views. Simply magical. The home sits at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac street, surrounded by gardens and picturesque junction of 4 waterways with approximately 49 metres of water frontage, a large pontoon to cater both boat and jet skis, and is mere moments from the main river to ocean access. This home offers rare entry into a prestigious residential precinct and is expertly designed to maximise privacy whilst still enjoying endless, mesmerising views. Situated close to private schools, cafes, restaurants and beaches. Do not miss this opportunity.